What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kara Janae back with another video. Finally, I know it's been a minute, but your girl had a lot going on. So thank you guys for having patience with me. And if you like this look, then stay tuned and we'll get into all the details. All right, so first I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. And just as a disclaimer, look, my edges are not slayed, okay? But it's gonna be slayed at the end, so don't worry. But let's start with these eyebrows. Just brushing them out, seeing how I want this shape to be. And I'm gonna be using the Crayon Case Eyebrow Pomade in the color dark brown. If you've seen any of my other videos, like this is like my go-to for eyebrows. I just love this stuff. After I use that Crayon Case Eyebrow Pomade, I like to go in with Revlon Color Stay Eyebrow Pencil, and I like to just touch up all the areas that I want a little bit darker and a little bit noticeable. So let's do it. And then I'm going to go in with one of my favorites, NYX Above and Beyond concealer. I use this thing every single time I put on makeup. And then I bring it all the way down to the lids and just conceal those two. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it all in. So now I'm gonna use this NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. And I don't use it every day, but just in case, like if I have some curls sticking up, like I'll just use it just to control it. I'm gonna start off with using this Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I've had this thing for a really long time and I rarely ever use it. So I'm like, might as well. It's a really pretty palette. I mean, I've heard bad things about it. It's not as pigmented as my other ones, but it's still a pretty good palette to me. Like, I ain't complaining. And I'm gonna start off with this brownish red color called Cayenne. And yeah, I think that's just gonna be my transition color, and we'll see where we go from there. So I want to add a little bit of this Key Devil to it also. This one right here, like another brownish reddish color. Blend it all in. For my crease, I want to go in with a little darker color, and it's called En Fuego. You see that? Just a little darker than the other ones. Just gonna pack that. At the ends of my eye, I was gonna stick with the En Fuego, but I think I'm gonna add this Ashes color to it. Right here, this Ashes color. Okay, so right now, I'm gonna cut the crease. Like, I've been really obsessed with it lately. Like, I think all the cut crease looks are just bomb. So I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can use whatever concealer you want, but I'm using this one in the color Medium Beige, and I'm gonna cut it. So stay tuned. Now that that's done, I'm about to set it with some Sacha Buttercup powder. I use this thing every single time. And do you guys set your concealer on your eye? Because I always hear people say yes and no, and there's no need, and then it helps it stick, and blah. Girl, I don't know. I just set it and call it a day. Now I'm about to pull out one of my favorite palettes ever, and it's Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini. Love this palette so much. It has so many colors that I just adore. It's super high pigmented and it's just lit. Alright, so I use this palette all the time. So for this look, I think for the inner eye, because I always like to make my inner eye a little lighter, but I'm gonna start off with this color Dahlia. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's Dahlia. That's my final answer. And I'm just gonna pat that in to the inner eye. Like, this is where those crayon books coloring in the lines pays off, okay? Alright, now that that's packed in there, I'm gonna go in with this Cairo color. It's like an orange sparkly. It's really cute. I want to blend the Dahlia color with this Cairo color so it all just flows naturally. And if you can't tell, there is so much fallout with that Cairo color. Man, it got everywhere. Luckily, I put my foundation and everything last, because that would have been horrible. Okay, so now at the very end of this cut crease, I want to use this color Casablanca to blend that in with like all the browns and all that stuff at the end of my eye. And now that I'm really looking at this again, I want to go in more with the Cairo, because I feel like there's too much Dahlia going on. Much better, because I really want that orange to be like the center of attention. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. black liquid eyeliner. This thing's like $2 from Ulta. It's great. Just putting a little bit of this leftover NARS in Armande to cover up all my hyperpigmentation, all the dark spots. I could use red corrector also, but I don't have that right now, so we gotta do what we gotta do. Yeah, just lightening the spots up so it'll be easily covered with the foundation. I'm gonna put on my foundation. I'm gonna be using the Lancome Teint Idole Wear, Ultra Wear, all that. This is why I like to do my edges last, because I be really trying to blend and end up messing them up. So no, it's a no for me, dog. The lashes are on. It's time to conceal, so I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan. For my contour, I'm going to use this Fenty Espresso Matchstick. And before I use it, I like to just put it on my skin, warm it up a little bit, because it's kind of hard to blend. And now it's time to blend. The key part of all makeup is blending. Now that all my concealer is all blended out and everything, I'm gonna go in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I use it in every single video. Okay, why fix it if it's not broken? Alright, so I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm just gonna set my concealer. I'm gonna set my contour with ItsMyRayeRaye Brownie Bite. I use this one in every single video also. Definitely my fave. And before I keep going, I'm gonna go back to my Sacha Buttercup and finish out. Just chiseling up this face, girl. Chisel it up. Go back to the contour. Get that double chin off, girl. Make it disappear. Brush, and I'm just gonna contour that nose. So while we bake, I'm gonna go back in with this Urban Decay Heat Palette and get the under eye. But what color do I want on the other? I think I'm gonna go with this lumber color. I think that's really, really cute. And underneath that, I'm gonna go in and mix this En Fuego with the ashes. So I'm gonna mix these two colors right underneath the lumbre. So I'm gonna go in with some black eyeliner, any type that you want, and then some mascara. Now that this is sit for a little bit, I'm just gonna blend everything. So now I'm gonna grab my Bretmzn Rock Baby in Paradise palette, my favorite highlighters in the whole wide world, and I'm gonna use the color Vacation. This one up here is actually my favorite one. girl. Alright, so for the lips, since everything is so pow in your face with all this orange, I want to do a really subtle lip, and I'm going to use my favorite lip gloss, this Fenty, what is it? I don't even know. I use it all the time. I don't even know what it's called. It's called the Fenty Glow. Oh no, the Gloss Bomb. So I freaking love this thing. I use it every single day. And I always keep it in my purse. I have like 2 of them, and it's lit. So I'm just going to use that. You don't need a lip pencil. You don't need nothing. It's just, ugh, God. That's bomb. Alright, so this is my completed look. I hope you guys like it. I'm feeling it. It's giving me like Thanksgiving / Halloween vibes, you know what I'm saying? Alright, that's it. Stay tuned for my next video next week. I'm really gonna try to be more consistent with you guys, so bear with me, alright? Bear with me. I know I'll be taking a bunch of breaks, but yeah, I hope you like this look, and see you next week. Bye.